topics to be covered in this lecture: how to download and install Appliance Scratch Editor, how, how to create a Scratch account, how to change email and password of Scratch account, how to delete account in Scratch.
From today, we will start the journey of Scratch programming. Our topic for today is how to use Scratch Editor. We can use online Scratch Editor in two ways, either creating a Scratch account or by using without creating a Scratch account. To download the offline version of Scratch Editor, we will go to the web browser and type scratch.mit/downloads in the address bar and hit enter. It will be directed to the Scratch download page. Here are the requirements. It needs Windows 10, Mac operating system 10.13 plus Chrome operating system. It is also supported for the Android version. We are using Windows. Here are the different platforms that for which the desktop version is available. We are using Windows, so we will download the desktop version for Windows. We will select the Windows and click on the direct download. It will download the desktop version of Scratch Editor. Once the download is completed, you will install the offline version of Scratch Editor. We have successfully downloaded the Scratch. To install the desktop version of Scratch, we will double click on its downloaded setup. Anyone who uses this computer, we will allow its permission to all users. Click install. Yes. Click on finish and it will launch a Scratch offline Scratch
We can
editor
use
for
online
us.
Scratch Editor in two ways, either
Now we
creating a
can
Scratch
use this
account
desktop
or
version
by
without
using
internet
without
connection.
creating a Scratch
We
account.
use internet connection only to download the offline or desktop version of Scratch Editor. First, we will connect our device to the internet and then we will type scratch.mit.edu in the address bar. If we don't want to create a Scratch account, we will click here Start Creating and it will open the Scratch Editor online page. And we can use it online here, but the only difference between them and creating and don't creating a Scratch account, if we don't create a Scratch account, it will not store our program online for our future use. In case you want to create a Scratch account, to begin a Scratch account, click either Join or Join Scratch button on the home page. Join or Join Scratch button on the same page. Both work same. Create a username. Enter your password and first uncheck show password. Now enter your password. Use symbols, numbers, uppercase letters, lowercase letters to increase the strength of your password. Enter the same password below. Click on the next. What country do you live in? Select your country from the drop down list. I live in Pakistan, so I select Pakistan. Enter your date of birth here. It will ask about your gender. If you are male, you will select male. If you are female, you will select female. If you don't want to answer about your gender, you can select prefer not to say. Enter your email address here. Make sure you will enter a valid email address because it will send a confirmation email to my email account. And if I don't activate my email account, it will not allow us to post my project online. Click on create your account. It will say confirm your email to enable sharing. If I don't confirm my email, I will not able to share my project with online community. So I will go to my email address and confirm my email account. Once I confirm my email account, I will refresh the page and my email address will be verified. Now we are ready to start creating cool project in Scratch. Don't, don't forget to confirm your email so you can share your projects. Now I can just simply click on create and I am able to create any Scratch project.
After creating a Scratch account and verifying our email address, if we want to change our email or password, we will go to our account setting. Click on account. From here we can change our location. If we click on password, we can change our password by entering the old password, and then we will type new password and new password confirmation and and click on change password. It will change our current password into new one. If we want to change our email address, we will type our new email address and then we will type our new email address confirmation and click on the change email. So in this way we can change our password and email address. If you want to delete your Scratch account, go to account setting, go to the account tab and click on I want to delete my account. Yes, next step. Delete. If you want to delete your project, you can select the radio button delete my project. If you want to keep your project and delete your account, you can select this one. Here enter your password. By clicking delete and sign out, it will send an email verification email regarding deleting account to our email address. This email tell us if you don't want to create if you don't want to delete your account permanently, you can log into your Scratch in next 48 hours. If you didn't log into your Scratch account in next 48 hours, it will delete your account permanently. If you don't request your account deleted, you should do two things: reset your password or log into your account. Then your account will not be deleted. This message is sent by the Scratch team. If you don't want to delete your account, just log in into your Scratch account or reset your password. If you want to delete your account permanently, don't log in into your Scratch account. After 48 hours, your account will be deleted successfully.